Curveball, the remarkable story of Toni Stone, the first woman to play professional baseball in the Negro League, by Martha Ackmann. Martha Ackmann is a journalist and the author of the award-winning The Mercury Is, the time story of 13 women and the dream of a space flight. Her sports commentary has appeared in the New York Times. She has also received grants and fellowships from the John Simon Guggenheim Foundation. She teaches in the Gender Studies Department of Mount Holyoke College and lives in Leverett, Massachusetts. From the time she was a girl, growing up in the shadow of Lexington Park in St. Paul, Minnesota, Toni Stone knew she wanted to play professional baseball. Curveball tells the inspiring story of baseball's female Jackie Robinson, a woman whose ambition, courage, and raw talent propelled her from ragtag teams barnstorming across the Dakotas to play before cheering crowds at Yankee Stadium. Toni Stone was the first woman to play professional baseball in the Negro League. After Jackie Robinson integrated the major leagues and other black players slowly followed, Stone seized an opportunity to join the ranks of the pros. She replaced Henry Aaron as the star infielder for the Indianapolis Clowns and later signed with the legendary Kansas City Monarchs. Her story reveals how far passion, pride, and determination can take one person in pursuit of a dream. This book, Curveball, is an important book and historical record of a woman who overcame race and gender barriers to make her dreams come true. This biography is a beautiful story of love, courage, and perseverance with a bunch of footnotes. This is a well-researched book, a detailed look at the world of the Negro League's baseball and an important chapter in American social history. The Negro League Baseball. Thanks for watching.